it on. You can see two modes. The first one, this one is the needle, the invasive one, with this handle. This one, and the other one is the radio frequency, the plight one, non-invasive one. This one. Introduce one by one. First, from the needle one, click it, and you can see here. We'll show you the needle, the size of the needle, because we have so many sizes of the needle. Here we'll show you, and here we'll count the number how many times you use this machine. And this one has a vacuum. The vacuum, this means when we put this one slightly touch, and the handle will suck our skin into the handle, and then put the needle get into our skin surface. This one is just accurate, and it's safer. But this one will make the treatment shorten. Will shorten the will make the treatment be slowly, because this one will suck first and make the needle get into. So it's prolong the treatment time. And here you can see we can change the needle depths. We use different depths. For example, for our forehead, we use the minimum 0.5. For the cheek, we can use 1 or 1.5. It's okay. And later I'll send you a picture. Okay. And for the chin, we also can use 0.5. For the neck, no throat are forbidden. For neck, for some fatter people, we can use higher 0.8. For some thinner people, we just use 0.5. It's okay. And the vacuum, we can just keep 2 or 3 vacuum, 2 or 3. And the power, you can use from 3 for face. And for body part, for example, you want to treat some stretch mark, you can use higher 4 or 5. And the on time, this one means duration time the needle stay in our skin surface. For face, you can just use 250 milliseconds for face. And for body part, we can use 350 milliseconds for body. This one. And the operation, we just press the standby. You can hear the sound. And then press this button. It will make the needle get out. It's so, 1 second, I want longer. You will see the needle, right? And you also can press the pedal, same operation. It also works. The pedal has same function as this one, the button. And for the operation, we need to clean our skin surface. Make sure there's no dirty thing, there's no makeup. And then we need to use numbing cream on our skin surface for 30 minutes. Numbing cream. After 30 minutes, we just remove the numbing cream and clean our skin surface again. And then we just start. You can see we put the handle, be vertical, and don't press it so hard. Okay, don't press it hard. Just slightly touch, and then press this button. It will work, and then remove. Each area just one pass. Don't overlap. Just one pass is enough. And you can see here has a vacuum button, control button. If you don't want to use the vacuum, just turn it off. Yeah, and now after you use this one, you must stay away from sun, okay, because our melanin is very active, so if you explode into the sun, you will have a pigment. And after we use this one, we can apply a moisturizing mask and use this one, hold hammer. You can see here to cool down our skin surface. It's working now. Let's click this one, stop working. It's working. Yeah. And now I'll go back and introduce this one. You can see it's an easier one. You can see they have different frequency. I can tell you this one is stronger than 8. So if you are the beginner, use this one. I suggest you use 8. it's better, it's smaller, but 5 is a stronger one. And the power you can set about 4 or 3, yeah. And on time, this one, if you treat your face, you can use about 1200 for face. Yeah, and when we do that, we have different heights of this one. We need to apply the cooling gel on our skin surface because it's very hot. And then we just press. Okay, also click standby. After we apply the cooling gel, we just press this button and wait. Each area you can do 2, 3 or 4 times, and you have a smaller one. It's suitable for around our eyes, and for the around the eyes, very tiny one, we can sliding the handle, sliding our skin surface around the eyes is to do the treatment. Also 3 to 4 times, and you need to make sure after you use this one, your skin tend to slightly red. That means it's enough, okay? Oh, one more thing. And this one, we can do once a week. But the needle one, we can do once a month. This one, we can do once a month. And this is a filter because it has a suction. This one has a suction. This one. If you want to turn it on, if you want to use this one on, so this one will suck our maybe some skin, some dirty things into its handle. So the hair has a filter. You can change it after you treat about 4 or 5 clients. Change the filter, and this one is very easy to, because the needle is disposable. Needle is very easy to replace. Just press these 2 things on, and just make sure here, the big hole, big path, match this one, and press this, done, and then insert it. Same as this one. Also press this one, press these 2 things, and it's off. And the big hole matches this one. And insert. It's on. Okay. Okay.